Hello friends and welcome to the Knowledge Dice. In this tutorial we would see how to make various API calls for CRUD operation to perform on Trello board. This would include get request, post request, put request and delete request. And for the illustration purpose we have created one board which has few lists in it which is specifying different status like to do, in progress and done. To illustrate various API calls, we would first make a GET request to get the board information containing different IDs of the individual status, and then we would use that ID and create a card on one of this list. Then we would perform put request to update the card, and at last we would make a delete request to delete that card. So let's get started. So to perform any CRUD operation, first of all, we need a developer key and the token which will be passed along with the request to perform any action on the Trello board. So to get the developer key, you need to go to this URL. I would add this URL in the description section, and if you would see there is a link to get your app key. So first of all, you have to log in through your account to get it, and when you would click on it you would ask to accept the terms, and when you would accept these terms you would get your developer key token menu. And in this page we have another link to generate token manually. Now when you will click on it you will be asked to allow this application to get the token on your behalf. So once you will allow this you will get your access token. These are the first two things to get started. And now to perform get request, we would get the details of the list on our board. So to get this, we would use following API call, and there is only one parameter ID, which is the board ID. So to get this board ID, we would go to our board, and from the URL, we can see this is our board ID. So we would use this board ID and will fill all the details in the postman. So we have added all the details in our postman in the API I just shown you. So this is our board ID and the key, developer key and the token. So now when we would hit this API, we get the response that lists all the status that our board is using, like to do, in progress and done, along with the IDs of the individual status. Right, so this is how we perform get request. And next we would add a card on to-do list, which is this one. To do that we would go to another API, and that is create a new card, and it says to add a new card use this API along with key, token and any other details that you want to add on the card. And this is example of post request, so we would perform that. We use this API. I have added the keys and tokens and the ID of the list where I want to add my card along with the basic information on the card to be added. So I added name as first card and description as first card description. So if we go and see, there is no card as of now with these details. Our to-do list is blank, and now if I perform the post request, we get the response that card has been created along with all the information about that card. And now when we go to the board we see that our first card has been created with the name we have provided and the description we have added. Alright, so now we would make a put request to update the details on these two cards, and we would change the name of first card. To update the card details, we will be using Put request which has following details, like we only have to provide card ID along with keys and tokens and the information you want to update. So we would update the name in this case, and this is our API. I have updated the card ID and ID list, keys, tokens, and the new name. I set it as first card new name. And now I am hitting the post API and I got the response. Let's see if we get the name changed in our board. So I go back to my card. I am refreshing the board and you see uh, the first card name is changed to the new name. And now we would see how to delete this card. And to delete the card we have API, again a similar one, and it would just be a different request type, and of course keys and tokens we will have to pass. So to perform delete request we would simply update the details, like I would change the card which I want to delete, and keys and tokens same as before. And now I am performing the delete API and we get the response. Let's see our card is there or not, and it's gone from here. So this way we have illustrated different types of API calls: get, post, put, and delete. And if you find this information useful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks very much.